In this video, we shall continue with the gradient application of differentiation. Kindly follow this channel for more updates. In this question, we're asked to find the point on a curve at which the gradient is equal to 0. To solve this, we have to first of all find the values of x and substitute it back to this equation to get the corresponding value of y. And to find the value of x, we've already been given that the gradient is equal to 0. Therefore, we have to differentiate this. dy dx, which is the gradient, is equal to the differentiation of x cubed is 3x squared minus the differentiation of 6x squared is 12x minus differentiation of 15x is 15. Differentiation of a constant is 0, and this is equal to 0. 3x squared minus 12x minus 15 is equal to 0. We can decide to divide both sides by 3. And 3x squared divided by 3 will be x squared minus 12x divided by 3 will be minus 4x. Minus 15 divided by 3 is minus 5. This is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and we can solve it using different factorization. The coefficient of x squared is 1, and the 1 multiplied by minus 5 will be minus 5. The number in between is minus 4. Therefore, we have to look for two numbers in which, when we multiply together, it will give us minus 5. And if we add it together, it will be minus 4. And the numbers are 1 and minus 5. 1 multiplied by minus 5 will be minus 5. And 1 plus minus 5 will be minus 4. Therefore, we have the equation to be x squared minus plus x minus 5x minus 5 is equal to 0. If we factor out x, here we have x squared divided by x would be x, and x divided by x is 1 minus 5. Minus 5x divided by 5 minus 5 will be x. Minus 5 divided by minus 5 is 1, is equal to 0. Therefore, the factors are minus x plus 1 and x minus 5. To find the value of x, we can say x plus 1 is equal to 0, and or x minus 5 is equal to 0. If we decide to make the x the subject formula, will be equal to minus 1, or x will be equal to plus 5, and x is minus 1 or plus 5. Remember, our original equation is y is equal to x cubed minus 6x squared minus 15x plus 1. So if we decide to substitute the values of x in this to get the corresponding value of y, let's consider when x is equal to minus 1. we have that y is equal to minus 1 cube minus 6 minus 1 square minus 15 minus 1 plus 1. And y will be equal to minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 cube is same thing as minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is 1. So when 1 multiplied by minus 1 will be minus 1. And that's why we're having minus 1 here. 6 into minus 1 square is 1. 15 minus 1 plus 1. And this is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 6 multiplied by 1 is minus 6. Minus 15 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 15 plus 1. We can decide to sum up the negative together and the positive together. Minus 1 minus 6 will be minus 7. And plus 15 plus 1 is 16. And this will be equal to 9. Therefore, when x is equal to minus 1, we have y to be 9. And it can be written as minus 1 and 9. When x is equal to 5, our original equation is y is equal to x cubed minus 6x squared minus 15x plus 1. If we substitute 5 in this expression, we'll be having 5 cubed minus 6 5 squared minus 15 into 5 plus 1, and this is equal to 5 cubed. 5 cubed, it's same thing as 1 2 5 minus 6 into 5 square. 5 square is 25 minus 15 5 plus 1. This is equal to 125. 6 multiplied by 25 would be 150 minus 15 multiplied by 5 is 75 plus 1. We can decide to sum the positive values together and the negative values together. 125 plus 1 is 126. Then minus 150 minus 75 would be minus 225. And this will be equal to 126 minus 225 is 99. Therefore, when x is equal to 5, the value of y will be 99, and it can be written as 5, 99. We are asked to find the points on the curve. So, and the points are -1, 9 and 5. This is minus 99 rather. Minus 9, 9. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, feel free to email us at science11academy@gmail.com. Thank you.